Hello there, welcome to the HashCoder community, and today we will be starting the HTML course walkthrough. And in this course, in this series of the course, we will be just explaining the deep down details of each HTML tag, and we will go through each HTML tag provided by W3Schools, and then we will go about each of the attributes we can have, and we will just try it out to make yourself learn better. So are you pumped up? So let's just jump in. So what you have to do is, to start the journey, you need these things. Man. First of all, you will be needing a text editor or a code editor for your development setup. So you can go with a notepad as a text editor, or you can go with a VS Code as a code editor. So the reason why I prefer VS Code is, according to some benefits, it is much superior. So you will be needing a development environment, because you will be writing code and then you will be testing out on your favorite browser. Like in my case, I'm browsing on the Chrome, but you can use Internet Explorer, Brave, or any of the specified or any of your favorite browsers. So the reason why I prefer VS Code is because it provides syntax highlighting, the fast code completion, the indentation, and a lot more. Okay. So you see, we will be in the entire course we will be using VS Code, but alternatively you can use a notepad too, but if you don't want to install the VS Code. But if you can install the code, then install the VS Code, then you can avail these benefits of the VS Code. Now after this entire theory type of stuff, let's get started, man. So the first thing you have to do is to pick the notepad, pick the IDE. So in order for the notepad, you won't be doing anything. You just type notepad here. I'm sorry. So you will just be typing notepad here, and you will just open it up and write the code stuff, and then save it with .html extension. But here, when you pick the second choice that I have picked, you have to install the IDE known as VS Code. So how can you install it? Let me show you. So open up your browser, open a new tab, and type VS Code out there. So when you type VS Code, it will give a link. Now click on the download, and it will give you the choice of the VS Code according to different platforms: Windows, Linux, or a Mac. So I'm here and I have the Windows operating system, so I will click on the Windows and it will start downloading it. As I have already installed it, so I will not be downloading it again. So yeah. So now as you have downloaded it, now you have to install it up. So after installation, the VS Code will look like this, right? So now what you have to do is to, before developing the stuff, now you have to do is to go to extensions, and you have to install 2 extensions that will make your life easier, known as Live Server. So what Live Server does is, it provides you a local production environment. Okay, let me close it up. So it will provide you the local I would say the local production setup, where you can test out your code and how it looks when you code. Like it will preview the website after you have coded for a while in your file, and then the other as I have installed it, they will disable an uninstall option, but in your computer the install option will appear. Then install it up. And the other thing is right here, sorry for my sore throat. So the other thing is the Prettier. As I have already installed it, just install it on your machine. So now with that said, let's just move to the folder, and now click on the file and open a new folder for the entire development setup. So I have created the HTML course folder. Let's just create again a new one. It will be like demo HTML hello world So I will just open it up, and what you have to do is to just create a new file named as index.js or anything you want, right? So in here I will just go with start.html or 1.html, your name .html, like anything you want, but at the end of it there should be an extension of HTML so that the VS Code can detect that it is an HTML file, and the commands we are writing in here it will detect. Like you know, I have discussed about the different types of benefits it provides, right? So one of them was fast code completion. Okay, where it is, man, where it is. One of them was, yeah, one of them was fast code completion, right? So let's see this benefit in action. When you type exclamation mark, it will provide you a suggestion that is an emmet. When you hit enter, it will provide you, boom, it will provide you the demo code that you can insert in your HTML file, right? So out here as a beginner, okay, let me clear it up, man. Okay, why it is misbehaving? Okay, we are done. So as a beginner, you won't be messing around with this stuff till now, and this HTML closing tag we will discuss and we will learn these tags later, but right now we will just be dealing with this body tag right now. Okay. So let's begin your first hello world program. So what you have to do is just change the body tag and write anything. So let me see, like these magical words, hello world. So when you hit when you hit save, okay, let me don't save it up right now, just let me just remove it now, remove it for now, okay, and save it as again. So now what you have to do is to see how like this code is converted into the website. If you want to see them, just right click on the file and open with live server. It will open up a new tab. Yeah, boom, here you go, man. We have this tab here we have this tab that is actually depicting, that is actually showing how our website will look, right? Okay, yeah, so this is how our website will look with this type of code, but you will say that it is not actually showing anything. It is because we haven't done anything in here. So what we have to do is to change here. So like here we type hello world. So when you type hello world, okay, so when you type hello world, sorry for the 5 seconds delay, I have to put the charger on the laptop. So it was running out. Okay, so when you put the hello world here, and you see, you don't see anything out here, right? Anything out here where my mouse is. But when you hit save, boom, here you go. You can see how your website looks. You can see the different you can see how your website looks after this code has been added, right? So it is actually the preview of your development code, right? So this is how you will start your first ever hello world program on HTML. You can change it up, like h1 like hello Mr. X, where X is your name, and yeah, boom, there you go. So it looks cool, man, right? So don't worry what is h2, what is body tag, and what is head, what is title, what is meta. We will be covering it in this series of the tutorials that are coming up. So if you like this video, just smash the like button and just subscribe to the channel. So we will be looking forward for the next part of the tutorials to come up. So till then, stay blessed, be happy coding.